I want to talk to you about the top 10 business credit cards that report to Experian Business Credit and give you high limits.
One in a million, one in a million, one in a million. You know they're coming up to me, cause I'm just the kind of flower that's stinging in the beat, but the rhythm's getting higher. Go, 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 go. One in a million, one in a million, one in a million, one in a million, one in a million.
Welcome back, folks, to another edition of the Awesome Studio Q Show. How are you today? I hope you are doing fantastic. I'm doing marvelous, if you were to ask me. If you are doing as great as I am, go grab a cup of coffee or tea or vodka and let's roll. In today's conversation, I want to talk to you about the top 10 business credit cards that report to Experian Business Credit and give you high limits. Number 10, we have M&T Bank, and the card is called M&T Business Rewards Credit Card. Our score 7.5 over 10, and this is a great card because you actually are basically you're earning unlimited points on everyday transactions. Think about it. So you earn 2% cash back on all purchases in your first year and 1.5% cash back thereafter. This is really good. What we love with the card is that you also have an intro APR of 0% that is valid on balance transfers and purchases for 12 months. This is really good, okay? And after that, the APR is kind of decent. It oscillates from 12.49% to 19.49%. So this is really good. So overall, M&T Bank Business Rewards Credit Card is kind of cool. It has all the amenities that you have with other cards. You have chip technology. You can use the card for in your digital wallet. This is really good. And we love the fact that it has a simple rewards structure. Really, you don't have any complicated rewards tiers to track caps or rotating categories every quarter or every month. No, it's very simple. So M&T Business Rewards Credit Card, 7.5 over 10. Number 9, we have Citi, and with Citi you have 2 credit cards, but the overall rating is 8 over 10. So the first card is the Citi Business Advantage Platinum Select. Okay, this is a card that allows you to actually earn miles on purchases when you use your Citi Business Advantage card. Okay, and this is great for travel rewards and mile rewards and all that kind of stuff. Okay, and the APR on this card is it goes from 16.24% to 25.24%. And the card has an annual fee though. You have to pay $99 every year, but it is waived for the first year. The second Citi card that we love is the Costco Anywhere Visa Business Credit Card by Citi. Okay, so this is actually good if you are a Costco shopper and you want to use Costco for your business purchases. This is really good. The card, the APR here goes from 15.49% all the way to 25.24%. Okay, and the thing is, there is no annual fee with this card if you have a paid Costco membership. Okay, so this is something you need to think about. But overall, those are the 2 cards that actually will report to Experian Business Credit. Number 8, we have here the Wells Fargo, and the card that you want to target here is the Wells Fargo Business Platinum Credit Card. Okay, and this is a great card because you actually can you believe that they actually gave you a one-time $300 cashback bonus? This is a bonus offer, or 30,000 bonus points when you select a business card rewards program and spend $3,000 in the first 3 months after account opening. Okay, so if you go with a cashback option, you earn 1.5% cashback on qualifying purchases. But if you go with the reward points option, you earn 1 point on every dollar spent, and you will actually receive 1,000 bonus points every billing cycle when you spend at least $1,000 on qualifying purchases. This is really so. This card has a dual reward option, the cashback and the reward points. Okay, and the card has a 0% introductory rate for the first 9 months. So we really love that. So overall, this is a great card for businesses that had the small businesses. Okay, so if you have annual sales up to $2 million, if you can choose your rewards. And if you are a business that needs a convenient way to manage everyday business expenses, this is a card for you. Okay, the card has no annual fee, plus up to 99 employee cards with no additional fee. This is really good. You have cash management tools. Okay, you have a great analytics settings, so you have spending reports available online. The card has no foreign transaction fees Really good. Fantastic. So Wells Fargo Business Platinum Credit Card, 8 over 10. Number 7, we have Capital One. Now with Capital One, you have 2 credit cards you want to target. So you have the Spark 2% Cash Plus, and you have the Spark 1.5% Cash Select. So when we talk about the Spark 2% Cash Plus, this card is a corporate card. In other words, there is no preset spending limits. Okay, you can earn up to $1,000 in the first 6 months, plus a $200 cash bonus every year you spend $200,000 or more. Okay, so for the rewards, unlimited 2% cashback on every purchase with no minimums or expiration date. There's an annual fee of $150 with this card. Okay, and this card is a corporate card. It's a charge card, so there is no APR. In other words, you must pay off your balance in full every month to avoid a 2.99% late fee. Very important, okay? And this card wants you to have good to excellent credit. And the Spark 1.5% Cash Select, this is actually another card that's great. You can earn a $500 cash bonus when you spend $4,500 in the first 3 months, okay? For you have the rewards, you have an unlimited reward structure. 1.5% cashback on every purchase with no minimums or expiration date. The card has no annual fee, and the purchase APR ranges from 13.24% to 19.24%. Okay, but this card also you need to have good to excellent credit. Number 6, we have the Fifth Third commercial card. Our score, 8.5 over 10. So this is actually a charge card also, so you have to pay the balance in full every month, okay? But we love this card because you can actually manage spending and you can get more control over your working capital. If you really have a relationship with the Fifth Third and you want to, let's say you want to have in-depth visibility into your analytics, into your business analytics, this is a card for you because the card actually gives you in-depth reporting tools. Okay, you have a convenient program administration, so you can set individual and departmental spending limits. Okay, you can charge purchases back to designated accounts. Think about it, this is really good. And from a budgetary perspective, this is kind of cool because you can assign pre-established spending limits to whomever you want to assign it to. Remember though, the commercial card is paid in full, so revolving balances are not allowed with this card. Okay, you can manage all cardholder accounts through Fifth Third's convenient online portal, and you actually have to spend a minimum of $350,000 a year to avoid a $250 annual fee. Okay, it's important. Number 5, we have here TD Business Solutions credit card. Our score, 9 over 10. What we love with TD Solutions, the TD Business Solutions credit card, is that you actually can earn up to 2% cashback rewards when you redeem into an eligible TD Bank deposit account. So it really helps to have a relationship with TD Bank if you want to target this card. Okay, you can earn 1% cashback on purchases, plus you earn another percent cashback when you redeem into an eligible TD Bank deposit account. You can earn actually $400 cashback in the form of a statement credit when you spend $3,000 within the first 90 days of their account opening. Okay, and you actually can earn unlimited cashback if you really think about it, because there are no rotating categories, no caps or limits, as long as your credit card account is open and in good standing. So think about that. So this card is kind of cool also because it has a decent APR range for purchases. You're looking at 14.24% to 19.24%. Okay, the actually you do have actually a balance transfer fee that is $5 or 3% of the transfer, whichever is greater. Okay, but overall this is a great card because you can add it to your digital wallet. You have a Visa zero liability, you have instant credit card replacement, and you can use it for contactless payments. Fantastic. So TD Business Solutions credit card, our score, 9 over 10. Number 4, we have the Bank of America credit cards. So there are 2 credit cards, but overall we have ranked Bank of America credit cards 9 over 10. So the first credit card you have here is the Business Advantage Customized Cash Rewards. We love the fact that with this card, as a new card holder, you can actually get a $300 stipend credit bonus offer when you actually when you meet the requirements. Okay, you can earn 3% cash back in the category of your choice. So we're talking about gas stations, office supply stores. You have travel, TV, telecom, and wireless, computer services, or business consulting services. Okay, and you can earn 2% cash back on dining purchases for the first $50 in combined choice category dining purchases each calendar year, 1% thereafter. And you can earn also 1% cash back on all other purchases. Okay, and the cool thing is that this card is kind of cool. It has a 0% intro APR on purchases for the first 9 billing cycles, and after that the APR will go from 12.24% to 22.24%. So that's for the first card. The second business card is called the Business Advantage Unlimited Cash Rewards, and this also reports to Experian Business Credit. Okay, this card also allows you to get a $300 stipend credit bonus offer. You can earn unlimited 1.5% cash back on all purchases everywhere, every time. Okay, you can earn up to 75% more cash back on every purchase if you have a business checking account with the Bank of America. Let's say you have a Bank of America relationship, okay, and you qualify for their highest preferred rewards for business tier. Okay, and this is kind of cool. And the APR goes from 12.24% to 22.24%. Okay, and the card has the same thing. It has a 0% intro APR on purchases for the first 9 billing cycles. Number 3, folks, we have a PNC. With PNC, we also have 2 credit cards, but the overall rating for PNC is 9.5 over 10. So for the PNC, we have a PNC Cash Rewards Visa Signature Business. This card is great. It allows you to earn 1.5% cash back on net purchases. You can enjoy no limits on the amount of cash back you earn. Okay, you can redeem cash back anytime as a stipend credit or deposit cash back into an eligible PNC business checking or savings account. Okay, you can add employee cards at no cost and earn cash back on their business spending too. This is really good. Okay, so to qualify for the offer, you need to make at least $3,000 in qualifying net purchases using your PNC business credit card, and you have an intro APR of 0% for the first 9 billing cycles following account opening, and this applies to purchases. And after that, you have a variable APR that goes from 11.24% to 20.24%. Okay, so this for the first PNC business credit card. It's called the PNC Cash Rewards Visa Signature Business. The second business credit card is called the PNC Visa Business, and this is a simple card that allows you to maximize working capital. So you have a 0% intro APR on balance transfers for the first 13 billing cycles following account opening. You have the card has no annual fee. We love that. And after the intro period is over, you have a variable APR that goes from 10.24% to 20.24%. This is really good. I'll be right back right after this. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another session of the Awesome Studio Kiwi Show. We are still having a conversation with you about the business credit cards that report to Experian Business Credit. And the number 2, we have American Express. Our score, 9.5 over 10. So with American Express, you have 2 business credit cards that we want to target here. You have the Blue Business Plus credit card from American Express. So this card is great because it has a low intro APR. You have flexible rewards. This is kind of cool. The card gives you a welcome bonus of 15,000 points. The card has no annual fee. The APR is kind of decent, 13.99% to 21.99%. Okay, and the cool thing is that the card has a wide variety of airline transfer partners. You also have a high rewards rate on the first $50 in annual spending. This is really good. Okay, but overall, if you are a travel aficionado, this is a great card for you. You also have one thing I want to say is that you have a 0% intro APR on purchases for 12 months from the date of account opening. This is kind of cool. Okay, and the other credit card from American Express that qualifies for reporting to Experian Business Credit is called the American Express Business Gold Card. So this card is great for earning points quickly. Okay, so you have a welcome bonus. You can earn 70,000 points. The card has an annual fee though, $295, so $295. Okay, and the regular APR goes from 14.99% to 22.99%. And so we love this card because it has a flexible redemption and points transfer options. It has a constellation of options. You have a robust travel benefits. You have automatic 4 points per dollar on the two categories you spend the most each billing period, on up to $150,000 in annual spending. So this is really good. Okay, and number one, folks, number one, we have Chase. Our score 10 over 10. So with Chase, we have three business credit cards that actually qualify for Experian business credit reporting. So you have the Inc. Business Unlimited. So this card is great. You have an APR that goes from 13.24 to 19.24%. You have a 0% intro APR for 12 months from account opening on purchases. Okay, the card has no annual fee. As a new card holder, you can earn $750 bonus cashback after you spend $7,500 on purchases in the first 3 months after account opening. Okay, and you have unlimited 1.5% cashback rewards on every purchase made for your business. The second credit card is the Inc. Business Cash. Here you also have a $750 bonus cashback after you spend $7,500 on purchases in the first 3 months. You have 5% cashback in select business categories. Okay, and the APR here 13.24 to 19.24. You also have a 0% intro APR for 12 months from account opening on purchases. The card also has no annual fee. The third card is called the Inc. Business Preferred. And as a new card holder, you can earn $100,000 bonus points after you spend $15,000 on purchases in the first 3 months after account opening. Okay, so that's $1,000 cashback or $1,250 towards travel rewards when you redeem through Chase Ultimate Rewards. And the APR goes from $15.99 to $20.99%. Okay, and the annual fee here is $95. Before I close today's conversation, I want to have an overall discussion with you, a quick overall discussion with you to help you understand that when you are looking to apply for a business credit card that reports to Experian Business Credit, there are a few things I want you to pay attention to, okay? And you want to apply for this business credit card in the first place because you want to build credit. You want to actually build your business credit score. This is important, okay? And with a card, you also have the ability to keep your business and your personal finances separate. We really want to mention this segregation of expenses because a lot of folks, especially those who have sole proprietorships, they don't care actually mingling their personal affairs with the business's affairs. You don't want to do that. You want to segregate those two. You want to divorce those two. It's important, okay? And so you're able to keep those expenses separate. You can build your business credit not only through Experian Business Credit, but also through Equifax and also through DNB, Dun & Bradstreet, okay? And by using these credit cards, you will get fast and easy access to working capital, which is what you need in the first place, okay? Because there are a lot of things you can charge on the card, especially if you have a high limit. You have a $25,000 or $50,000 limit. This is kind of cool. It is convenient, okay? And the cool thing also is that you will earn valuable credit card perks along the way. Okay, so this is a win-win-win-win for you. Okay, one thing you need to understand is that before applying for this credit cards, remember there are some requirements. So you want to put your business's legal name. It's important. Your contact information for the business, the industry type. This is important. The business entity or legal structure. So here you have to mention whether you are an LLC, you're a sole proprietorship, you are a C Corp, you are an S Corp, and that kind of stuff. You want to put the time in business and the number of employees, your EIN. Okay, we're talking about your federal tax ID. So EIN stands for Employer Identification Number. Okay, and some credit card applications might ask you for your annual business revenue and estimated monthly spend. The monthly spend is important because this is going to actually impact the limit, the initial limit they assign to you. Okay, and they might ask you also your total annual income. They will ask for your legal name, contact information. But if you do it EIN only, they don't have to ask for that. Okay, and this is important. And one thing I want to say here is that if you want to get the credit card, if you want to get a business credit card that reports to Experian Business Credit, you really need to have a plan. I'm talking about codifying the whole strategy, making sure you have a code, you have a formula for success. Okay. First thing is you need to decide which business credit card is right for you. I've given you 10 or maybe more, not maybe more, definitely more business credit cards in today's conversation that actually reports to Experian business credit. You need to decide which one is right for you. Okay. Are you looking for a card with 0% intro APR period? A card that has no annual fee? A card that has a rewards program? A card that has no foreign transaction fee? A card that has an introductory bonus? Okay. Are you looking for a business credit card or a charge card? Okay. I've spoken to you about some charge cards in today's conversation. The one from Fifth Third Bank and the one from Capital One. Those are charge cards, meaning that you have to pay your balance in full every month. Okay. So once you do that, you want to check your business credit score. And if you don't have a business credit score, if you haven't built enough business credit yet, you want to check your personal FICO. So it's important. Okay. And after you do this, you want to gather the necessary business credit card requirements and you want to fill out an application. Now, when it comes to the application, we always want to say on this show that you want to do things at the branch if possible or over the phone, because the online thing is really, if anytime you apply for a business credit card online, you are giving your life to the algorithm, the credit card issuer's algorithm. So it's always important to actually speak to someone so you have the context. You want to contextualize the application. You have the proper context to actually apply. Sometimes through these conversations, you might receive intel that tells you, hey, listen, this is not the right time to apply for the card. You want to wait a little bit more, and this is the kind of stuff you want to have. So overall, it's important to have the proper strategy, to have the proper timing, okay, before applying for the credit card. But most importantly, make sure the card you're applying for has the proper spending limits, has the proper reward structure, has the proper perks that you need. Okay, I've mentioned this before. 0% AP. Are you looking for a balanced transfer credit card? Are you looking for a card that doesn't charge you anything on purchases? Are you looking for a card that offers you travel rewards or cashback bonuses? Whatever it is. So you have to make sure the card actually fits into your strategy. Very important. Before I close today's conversation, please check out this credit card evaluation approach video. We do have a strong methodology on this show when it comes to evaluating, categorizing, and reviewing credit cards, including business credit cards. So check this out. All right, folks, here are the top 10 business credit cards that report to Experian business credit and give you high limits. Number 10, we have a Chase 10 over 10. With Chase, we have the Inc. Business Unlimited, the Inc. Business Cash, and the Inc. Business Preferred. Number 2, we have American Express 9.5 over 10. Here we have two business credit cards. We have the Blue Business Plus credit card, and we have the American Express Business Gold card. Number 3, we have PNC. And PNC, we also have, the score is 9.5 over 10. We have two business credit cards. We have the PNC Cash Rewards Visa Signature Business, and we have the PNC Visa Business. Number 4, we have Bank of America, also two credit cards, and our score is a 9 over 10. So you have the Business Advantage Customized Cash Rewards, and you have the Business Advantage Unlimited Cash Rewards. Number 5, we have the TD Bank TD Business Solutions Credit Card, 9 over 10. Number 6, we have Fifth Third Bank, so the Fifth Third Commercial Bank, commercial card that is, 8.5 over 10. Number 7, we have the Capital One, and Capital One overall, the rating is 8.5 over 10. There are two credit cards under this umbrella. We have the Spark 2% Cash Plus, and we have the Spark 1.5% Cash Select. Number 8, we have Wells Fargo Business Platinum Credit Card, 8 over 10. Number 9, we have a Citi. So with Citi, we have two credit cards, but the overall rating is 8 over 10. So we have the Citi Business Advantage Platinum Select, and we have Costco Anywhere Visa Business Credit Card by Citi. And number 10, we have the M&T Business Rewards Credit Card. Our score, 7.5 over 10. Thank you so much for your attention. I'll speak to you another time, but until then, remember, stay marvelous.